Hello trainers and welcome to the channel. Today we have a Grookey tin box with the Rillaboom V promo card inside, but before we get started I have to mention something. We are so close to 100 subscribers right now, so I have to thank all of you amazing people who are already a part of this community, but we have to grow stronger, we have to grow harder, so please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family so they can enjoy the same things that you are enjoying. So thank you very much, and now let's move on. Here we have the brand new Sword and Shield tin box with one of the new Galarian starter Pokemons, Grookey. Grookey is actually my favorite starter Pokemon from the Galar region, so I would say let's open it up.
Yeah.
So here we got this little fella. Let's open him up. With the Rillaboom V promo card, Forest Feast and Woodhammer. It's really nice. Right up into the sleeve. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this plastic here gone. Here's the code card for this Rillaboom. And we got 4 booster packs. Sword and Shield, Cosmic Eclipse and Steam Siege. Wow, of course, it's the Steam Siege pack. Let's start from worst to best. So Steam Siege. First pack we opened today. Code card. Steam Siege is a X and Y, I think. So 3 to the front. Klefki, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Nuzleaf, Dino, Chimchar, Rufflet, Shellos, Clownshare, Devot, and Cobalion regular rare. So next one is the Cosmic Eclipse pack. Code 4 to the front, so let's go. Guzma and Hala, Roller Skater, Clefairy, Natu, Trapinch, Seal, Passimian, Rowlet, Ultra Necrozma as a reverse rare, and a Trevenant regular rare. So, Sword and Shield next. Golden Zacian is coming. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. So, Water Energy, Pokekid, Heatmore, Galarian Stunfisk, Chinchou, Sizzlipede, Galarian Zigzagoon, Munna, Snom, Pokegear 3.0 and a Musharna regular rare. Whoa. It's looking not so well for us today. The code 4 to the front and Dark Energy, Twacky, Pulpad, Citrus Berry, Ghastly, Ponyard, Sizzlipede, Yamper, Clobbopus, Cinderace, and Graplocked regular rare. Oh my god. This box was a disaster. My god. Wow. Well, at least we get the Rillaboom promo card. So guys, thank you very much for staying. Please leave a like so I can feel much better after this opening, and I'll see you next time. Bye!